This 2020 Airstream Interstate LOUNGE 24X is a Class B RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Airstream is 24 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 2, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, external shower, DVD player, spare tire kit, smoke detector, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, water heater, and 26 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features front living area, rear bedroom. This 2020 Airstream Interstate LOUNGE 24X is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.